This is the background to the Siac versus Mayo County Council case. It all relates to a main drainage scheme which was to be done in Ballinrobe in County Mayo. The works went out to tender in 1992 and there was detailed tender documents prepared by the engineer. These was 5 volumes, several hundred pages each. That each tender was expected to price each line item of work within the contract. 24 companies submitted tenders and the 3 lowest were then selected. These included Siac, Pat Mulcair and Pierce Contracting. The engineer then sat down with these 3 lowest and set out to review to see which was going to be the best deal for Mayo County Council. A number of items came to light during his review. Among these was zero rate. All companies zero rated certain items within the contract. However, Siac had done this to a very large extent and had in fact zero rated a number of the main items within the contract. The engineer then, when he met with Mayo County Council, explained his difficulty with Siac's pricing and was basically told them that he felt that he wouldn't be able to manage the contract based on the fact that they had failed to price so many of the major items within the contract. He suggested that rather than give the job to Siac, that the job should go to Pat Mulcair, who was the second lowest tenderer. The contract was signed on the 25th of August 1992 with Pat Mulcair and works got underway. Of course, Siac weren't very happy with this and they requested Mayo County Council to explain why they, as being the lowest tenderer, were not given the job. In a letter dated the 30th of August 1993, Mayo County Council set out their reasons. These included that there was no date for completion given by Siac, that there was a 100% reduction of a PC sum item worth 90,000, that Siac had failed to price major items within the contract, and that major items within the contract not priced would make it nigh on impossible for them to manage the contract. Finally, they were told that they were not the most economically advantageous by the County Council. Of course, Siac weren't very happy with this and they issued High Court proceedings against Mayo County Council. They claimed that Mayo County Council had breached EU procurement procedures by not accepting the lowest tender. The Judge Lafay dismissed the case on the 17th of June 1997, finding in favour of Mayo County Council. And now we're going to